Want to create this type of effect in DaVinci Resolve? Let's go and make them in Fusion. First we take Note Plus and open it in Fusion. Now let's change the title to slide in, as this is slide effect, and change the font to Montserrat with extra bold. Now select the text node and we will add a transform node to it. Now we will add keyframe at frame 0 and another keyframe at frame 10. Go back to frame 0 and change the position of our text. We have to smooth it with spline. Select transform node and press Ctrl A to select all the keyframe and right click, then go to ease and select cubic. As you can see, now it's very smooth. Now we will add blur. Select transform node and go to settings and max the quality to 10. As you can see, now our text is blurred. Press Shift plus space bar and add drop shadow to it. And you can play with these settings and get desired results. Again, press Shift plus space bar, add glow node to it. You can change glow size and glow from the settings. Similarly, you can create these other effects. We will take the Note Plus and open it in Fusion. Let's change the name of it to Pop, as it is Pop effect, and change the font to Montserrat with extra bold. Add a transform node, add a keyframe at frame 0 and change its size to 0. At frame 8, change the size to 1.2. At frame 10, add a keyframe and change the size to 1. Text pop effect is ready, but let's refine it. Select the transform node and open the spline. Take the transform node and click here to fit in size. Select all the keyframe with Ctrl A and go to ease and select out cubic. Again, we will add the drop shadow to it. Press Shift plus spacebar and type drop shadow and select the drop shadow. Tweak the settings according to you. Press Shift plus spacebar, add glow effect and tweak the settings according to you to get the desired result. Drag the text plus effect onto your timeline. Open in Fusion. Select the text plus clip. Type the text you want to animate. For example, I'll type typewriter. Change the font. At frame 0, add a keyframe, and at frame 10, we will add another keyframe. Now let's go back to frame 0 and write on to 0. Now our typewriter text animation is ready.